meter calipers and rulers tape.
Excellent.
to
So you
measure.
can remember, Marshall, everything.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, when we are using measuring tape, when we should use measuring tape?
When it
When
is
the
like
measurement is above 100 centimeters.
Huh?
above 100 centimeter, Narayan.
তাহলে কি?
Like 1 meter, 2 meter. Oh, আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ ঠিকই তো হ্যাঁ।
ঠিকই তো আজব।
হ্যাঁ ঠিকই।
So when he was saying 100 centimeter, then it was too long, right? Bashafahat.
Yeah.
But when you are saying 1 meter, it is okay.
Yeah.
1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so if it is more than 100 centimeter, it means more than 1 meter. Till 1 meter, we are using meter rule. And more than 1 meter length, we have to use measuring tape. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So it is the.
Sir, can you just repeat what you told? Because I just came now.
Yeah. The thing is, if we are using measuring tape, when it is appropriate to use measuring tape, or when we have to use measuring tape, that one we are discussing. So you know this answer, right, Taki?
Yes, sir.
When we have to use measuring tape?
Taki.
Taki, he has network problem.
No, sir.
Okay, so let him come again. We have the recording. You got the recording of last class, right? Everyone? In your group we gave, and also in Google Classroom it's available. Did you see that one?
Measuring tape is used to measure a thing accurately. Like if we measure a thing there in measuring tape, results can come accurately like 1.223 centimeter. These types of things.
Okay. So measuring tape we can use for that one. What you said, that one also we can use.
For example, we can use it on an eraser. Also.
Where?
On an eraser, if it's you
Yeah.
know 1.25 centimeter or anything.
Okay, so if it is 1.25 centimeter in measuring tape, we don't have that much accuracy. In last class we mentioned it. Look, all the instruments like ruler, meter rule, and measuring tape, these three, we have the accuracy till how much? Can you remember that one? We have the accuracy till 1 millimeter. If it is less than 1 millimeter, we cannot measure accurately. Even with the measuring tape, the accuracy level is till 1 millimeter. That is 0.1 centimeter. So the one you said.
Can you hear me now?
So if your digit is like this, 0.12, we cannot measure with measuring tape.
Yes.
We have to use for this one vernier calipers. Okay, that one we are discussing today. We are going to discuss today. Vernier calipers. Vernier calipers. We have their vernier scale and main scale. Vernier calipers. So here it is, vernier calipers. So vernier calipers can measure accurately till 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter accurately. Got it, Lamisa? Lamisa,
And
hello. Is it clear to you or I need to explain again?
Sir, it's clear.
Clear. Okay, so if it is clear, then we are going to vernier calipers now. Last class, I told you to take one ruler with you. Whatever you have, if it is 15 centimeter or if it is 30 centimeter, no problem. If you have it, then it will be easier for you to get the ideas physically. Okay, so in your ruler, the smallest division, that is giving you 1 millimeter. In measuring tape also, the smallest division is 1 millimeter. In meter rule also 1 millimeter. Less than 1 millimeter, we cannot measure. If you divide 1 millimeter into 10 equal parts, then each of the part is coming 0.1 millimeter. Is it clear to you?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm saying again. Your 1 millimeter you have in your ruler, right? The smallest division. In between two lines, the gap, right? 1 millimeter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Okay,
millimeter
so
we have.
yes, if you divide this 1 millimeter into 10 equal parts, then how much will be the division? Very small, right?
0.1 millimeter.
Yeah. So 0.1 millimeter, if you want to convert to centimeter, it will come 0.01 centimeter.
Right.
Do you agree? All of
Yes.
you.
Yes.
Here you
Yes.
agreed, right? So vernier calipers are used to measure lengths till 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter accurately, which
Affirmative.
we cannot do with rulers, meter rule, or measuring tape. How we will do it? We are now showing that one. We are now showing that one. Here we have the discussion. Look, in our vernier calipers, we have two scales. One is main scale, another one is vernier scale. Again, we are going to the vernier scale. You see here, in vernier calipers, we have two scales. One is main scale, another one is vernier scale. That's why it is called vernier calipers. And if we are keeping any object in between these two jaws, then we are getting any reading here, right? That reading we can measure from this main scale reading and vernier scale reading. You see there are two more jaws here, upper side. So these two jaws we are using for measuring the external diameter of measuring cylinder, and the upper jaws, these two are used for measuring the internal diameter of measuring cylinder. Are you clear? Do you know what is measuring cylinder?
No, sir.
So the lower ones are for outside and the upper ones are for inside, right?
Yes. In our last year discussion, we got it. Basha Fahad, you can remember, we were measuring the volume of irregular shaped object using one glass cylinder like this, right? You
Yes.
remember that one, and this one is containing water, So in our lab, we are using this one to measure the volume, right? And sometimes for our experiments, we need to use the this vernier calipers to measure the internal diameter. You know, between internal and external diameter, there is some space available, right? Isn't it? So for more accuracy, for more you know, accurate results, sometimes we need to measure also internal diameter, so we can measure the
I
internal
didn't
volume.
understand.
Okay, okay. I am repeating, no problem. I'm repeating. Uh, you see, there is upper surface of the measuring cylinder and inner surface of the measuring cylinder, right? Hello,
Yes.
everyone. So when for the sake of experiment, sometimes we need to measure the internal diameter of the measuring cylinder. Sometimes measuring cylinder, you know, the glass made measuring cylinder, they are thick, not my ones. My one is not so thick, you see. Sometimes it's coming like this much thicker. Okay. At time we have to measure the internal diameter. If you are taking only the external diameter, your experiment will not do or not work properly. Is it clear? Hello, Anissa?
Yes.
So for measuring the internal diameter, we are using these two upper jaws. Is it clear?
Yes.
Sir, internal
Yeah, say who are talking, please.
no sir, nothing.
Nothing. Okay, if it is nothing, then at least you understood what is the function of upper jaws and what is the function of lower jaws, right? It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are having this two scales. One is main scale, another one is vernier scale. So how we are taking the reading? If we are keeping any object in between these two jaws, or we are keeping these two jaws inside of the measuring cylinder, we are getting reading here, right? That reading, how to calculate, we are showing now. Now we are going down to take that one. For example, you are getting the reading like this. You are getting the reading like this, and here it is main scale. Okay, this one is our main scale, the upper one. Okay, it is main scale, and this one is vernier scale. So we will check what is the reading coming till here. The vernier is showing 0, right? Hello.
Sir,
Yes.
0.3.
Yes,
So
sir.
till here, what is the reading coming in the main scale? That one we are saying.
2.1.
That one we are saying MSR.
Main scale reading.
Yes. So main scale reading, very smart boy, mashallah. So main scale reading is here till,
Configurator.
2.1.
you see here till 0 we have reading 2, then 1 millimeter, then 2.1 centimeter. The scale is given in centimeter, right? The main scale reading, it is in centimeter. Is it clear to you, everyone?
Yes.
So we are getting one division till before the 0. That's why we are writing main scale reading
2.1 centimeter.
2.1 centimeter. Okay, after 2.1, look, there is a very small space available, right?
2.3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you see, there is a very small space available. That one we cannot measure accurately with our uh, conventional ruler or measuring tape or any meter rule. For
Caliper,
that one, we have to
capital,
use this vernier calipers.
capital,
So
vernier
look
calipers.
how we are using this vernier scale to get vernier scale reading using the vernier calipers. That one we are saying VSR. Okay, vernier scale reading is VSR. Look, here
Vernier
we have
caliper reading.
10 lines, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 7. We will check out which line is aligned or matching directly going across through the any of the upper lines. We see here the third one. The third line is aligned with the main scale lines, right? Directly. No other lines is matching, you see? You see?
Yes, sir.
Only one line is matching with the upper line, that is 3. So we will write here 3.
So how?
Look, this one is the line from the upper scale, right? That means main scale.
Yeah.
And this one is the line from vernier scale. And you see, check, only these two lines, they are aligned. You see, going straight with each other. Is it clear?
Yeah.
And that's why we gave here dotted lines. Here we gave dotted lines. Then as they matched. Is it clear? Now, so it is 3. Are you getting it 3?
Yes.
Okay, after 3, we will multiply with
0.1.
0.1. Why
0.1.
why 0.1?
Space.
0.01, right, sir?
We should
0.01.
yeah, we should multiply with 0.01.
0.01.
We should multiply with 0.01. Why it is
Accuracy.
0.01? Can anyone respond, please? Why 0.01?
The vernier scale counts
It's a
in
space between vernier
0.1
scales
millimeter,
lines.
which is 0.01 centimeter.
Yes, at the beginning, we got this idea that vernier calipers can measure accurately till 0.01 centimeter. Can you recall that one? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So for that reason, we are multiplying 0.01 with this 3. Then what is coming here? If you multiply
0.03.
0.
Stop with that voice.
0.03.
0.003. Okay, so the unit should be centimeter, right? Because we got here 0.01 centimeter. Vernier calipers can measure accurately till 0.01 centimeter, and here is 3. That's why if you multiply, the unit will come in centimeter. Now total. What will be the total reading?
2.1 plus 0.03.
Excellent. Then finally, how much it comes?
2.03.
2.
I didn't get this part.
2.03.
2.13.
Oh, not
2.13,
2.13.
sir.
3.
13.
2.13. Total. You did not get this part, total part, or VSR part. Which part you did not get?
The total part.
Total part.
Okay, total part is the sum of MSR and VSR, right?
And
We
VSR.
have here main scale reading and a little bit extra. For that one, we are getting 0.03. So our total reading is 2.13 centimeter. Is it
How do
Sir,
you
clear?
get
in book
to
there's a formula, sir, given. Total reading is equals to main scale plus vernier scale.
Yes, yes. That one
In book is
you have to use. Total is MSR plus VSR. Is it clear?
So,
yes.
sir, the
Yes, sir.
what is the MSR here? MSR is 2 and VSR is 3
MSR is
into
2.1. MSR
VSR
is
is
2.1.
0.1.
It's
Till
2.1.
here. Yeah, till here 2.1. And VSR is 0.03. And total reading is 2.13.
Then
2.13. Oh,
Is it clear to everyone?
yes, sir. Now it is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, all these things,
No,
whatever we discussed, are available here. Look, MSR, VSR, total length, MSR plus VSR. We showed it
Sir,
here.
can you send us the PDF? It will be better for us.
Sorry,
PDF, can you send it? It will be better for us.
it's uploaded long back in your Google
It's
Classroom.
already given.
It's given before
I didn't get
vacation.
it.
Yeah, before Eid
Yes.
holiday. Should I show
Get
you
it.
in the Google Classroom?
Yes, sir.
It was given long back, as some of the students were asking about it, and that's why I uploaded it before. Is it? No one got it? No one? Adita,
Sir,
did you see it in the Google Classroom?
which
Sir, I
one?
got it.
You got it. What is the date? Can you check?
So that homework one.
No, I am saying the notes one. The one Lamisa was asking about.
PDF.
Sir,
You see, I
I think you
gave the
should go a few
worksheet.
days back. You'll find it.
Yeah, look, on 28 I gave the worksheet, but before that I gave the notes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Go a
I didn't
bit back.
get it.
When we started the class, maybe after 2 or 3 classes,
Sir, I think you should go a little
Sir,
back.
yeah,
Yeah.
students were
some
asking
people
this.
are chatting in the chats and they are disturbing
They're
us.
giving so
Yeah,
long
look,
unnecessary messages.
look,
Yes.
look. July 26, I gave the notes.
Yes. Sir,
Is it
you gave
clear?
it with the recording.
Sorry?
Sir, you also gave a recording with
Yes,
that note.
there I gave also recording.
Yeah.
Recording of some of the parts we discussed. There is available. So here is the
Can
notes,
you post
Lamisa.
it again? I couldn't get it. No, I
Lamisa, Lamisa, on 26 July, you go, then you'll get.
Lamisa, you can save it in your drive.
You join later, fine. Now you can get it, Lamisa.
Okay.
If you check now on 26th of July, you can get it. Have a try, okay, Lamisa?
Yes.
Okay. You must will get it. Don't worry. Now we are done with vernier calipers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you have any queries on vernier calipers, still you have any queries, you can ask me. Tell me. Is it clear?
Yeah, I got the notes. I got the
But the
notes.
VSR and the MSR and that total thing is not clear yet.
Which one?
The VSR, MSR, and the total.
Okay.
It's
Look.
not clear yet.
Look, I'm repeating here, no problem. If you have any queries, I welcome. I welcome you to tell me. Always. Look,
Sir, I have problem in vernier scale reading. Yes.
okay, I'm explaining again, no problem. Take your time, no problem. You just be attentive. When I'm explaining, be attentive. Look, we have this one as main skill, right? The upper one.
Yes.
So in upper one, you will check how much it's going till 0 of the vernier. So how much is coming?
0.3.
No, in main scale.
After 0, main
No,
scale,
not after 0. Before 0. I said before 0, the main scale reading. How much is coming?
2.1.
2.1. That is our main
2.1.
scale reading. You got
MSR.
it? Is it clear now? Main scale reading?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And after this 2.1, we have little bit extra, isn't it? Before 0.
Yes. Yes.
So that much is our concern. That one we want to do accurately with this vernier calipers, which is not possible with conventional ruler.
Sir,
The conventional ruler can measure till 2.1. The ruler you
Right.
have with you, or measuring tape, or meter rule. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
yes.
So that part, the one we cannot do with conventional instruments. For that one, we are using this vernier scale. Okay, this vernier scale has 10 lines. So we will
Right.
check with this vernier scale lines, a single line will be aligning with the main scale lines. That one we will try to pick. Here we are getting it is aligned with 3, isn't it?
Yes.
Maybe for other measurements, like you are measuring the diameter of another objects or another equipments, that one might give you here 5 is matching, or another one is giving you 7 is matching. This way it will come. Is it clear?
Yes.
For this context, we are getting 3 is matching, right? Or 3 is
Right.
aligning. So our vernier scale reading will be 3 times 0.01 centimeter. Why we are taking 0.01 centimeter?
Why?
Yeah, very good. Why? Because with vernier calipers, we can measure accurately till 0.01.
0.1.
At the beginning, we got this information, right?
Right.
So we are multiplying with 0.01.
So 3 into 0.01 is 0.03.
So the VSR is clear to you now?
Yes.
Now our
Sir,
total
why
length,
multiply with 3?
okay. Why multiplied with 3, Ryan?
Because the Mark III is aligned with the MSR. That's why.
If it is aligned, the 4th line, we will give here 4. If it is aligned with 7th line, then we will give 7 here. Is it clear now? It's not always,
Yes, sir.
it's not always 3. Sometimes it will be 2, sometimes it will be 9, sometimes it will be 5. Okay, but 0.01 is
Yes, sir.
fixed. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
VSR
sir.
is clear.
Yes, sir.
So total length is coming MSR plus VSR. Total length is coming MSR plus VSR.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2.1 and the extra length, that is 0.03, that's making our total length 2.13 centimeter. So is it
So the
clear to
length of
all?
object is 0.13 centimeter.
Yeah, 2.13. Look, in our ruler, we can measure till 2.1. We cannot measure this 3, up to 3. After decimal point, 2 digits we are getting in centimeter. in vernier calipers. In our ruler, we cannot do it. We can only go to 2.1 or 2.5, 2.7 this way.
Up to 1 digit after
Up
decimal.
to 1 decimal point we can go. By vernier calipers, we can measure till 2.13.
2 decimal.
Yeah. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
this part is over. Vernier calipers part is over. Now we are going to micrometer. Okay. Can we go to micrometer?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Micrometer is more accurate instrument. It's giving us more accuracy. Yeah, if you have the ruler with you, the one I told you to take beside you, you just check there again 1 millimeter division. Are you checking? Hello? Are you checking? Anyone is checking?
No, sir, but we know that it's 1
Okay, fine.
millimeter.
Yes, sir.
If someone has, then he can give us, practical, feelings. That one I need. Anyone you have? No one. Okay, fine. Look, if you don't have, just close your eyes and think that 1 millimeter is a very small space, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
1
Yes.
millimeter.
Right.
If
Sir,
you
I have.
divide, yeah, if you divide this 1 millimeter into 100 equal parts, how many?
100.
100.
100 equal parts. Then each of the part of 100 equal parts, how smaller it will be? It's very, very small, right?
Sir, 0.001.
1.
You just imagine it is very, very small, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Right.
If you divide into 100 equal parts, it will be very, very small, and that one is giving us 0.01 millimeter. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone?
0.1, right?
0.01 millimeter. We can get there accurately because millimeter is divided by 100.
And sir, what we will get if we divide it by 10?
Yes. If we divide by 10, it will come only 0.1. Just before this one we did for vernier calipers.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
now this
I
one is coming 0.01 millimeter, and if you convert to centimeter, it's coming 0.001 centimeter.
0.001.
1 centimeter. So using the micrometer, we can measure accurately till 0.001 centimeter. So it's much more accurate reading. Its accuracy level is highest. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So using
Yes.
using the micrometer, we are using this one in lab, our physics lab, to measure the
Sir, do we have
diameter.
micrometer in lab?
Yes, yes.
Maybe.
Micrometer is available in
For
our
what?
lab. This year, hopefully, you will get the lab. Inshallah, very soon our school will open. That time I will show you.
Sir, maybe from
Sir.
next week we will.
Not next week.
No.
Uh, it
Next month,
most
maybe.
probably government is planning to
Yeah, from
open
September.
government is planning to open the universities
September, no,
first in
September.
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 Yes.
From September, they are planning to
Sir, from
open
September 1.
they are
So,
planning.
did Cardiff decide to open it? The school?
Yes.
Maybe.
Okay,
Sir,
listen,
actually, it won't be
listen
Depends on
to
safe
me.
unless the vaccine comes out.
You stop talking and listen to me. Then that will make it easier for you to understand. Okay, government is planning to open the universities first, then colleges, then they will open the schools. So it will not be happening. We are not thinking it will open during September. maybe during October in our school will open. Maybe.
Sir, maybe next year.
We
এই
are
চুপ
we are
থাকতো নাকি ফালতু
we are
কথা বলো
we are expecting in
সামনের বছর
October
করলে বেশি ভালো হয়।
if the the situation is coming better, right? If the situation is not coming better, then it will be still lockdown. The school will be closed. So we are praying for that the school will be open. You also pray, okay? Now,
ইনশাআল্লাহ
in what I said, that this instrument micrometer is used to measure the diameter of wires, thin wires, copper wires. Do you understand what I'm saying? Hello?
ইয়েস
Yes,
Hello
sir.
everyone. So
স্যার ওয়্যারস
yes, wires, thin wires, the wires we are using in lab for electricity connection. Is it clear now?
ইয়েস স্যার কপার ওয়্যার
Okay,
Yes, sir.
copper wires. So also this micrometer is used to measure the thickness of paper. You know, the white sheet of papers, that one we can measure the thickness using this micrometer. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. And vernier calipers are used to measure the diameter of coin. You know, coin 1 taka, 2 taka, 5
Yes,
taka
sir.
coin. Those
Sir,
diameter we
paisa.
can measure. Yeah. And also we can measure the diameter, external and internal diameter of measuring cylinders. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
In our next class, we will go for more details of micrometer screw gauge, how to use it, and how to get the readings from the scale, the main scale and circular scale. Thank you
ইনশাআল্লাহ
so, inshallah. Thank you so much for joining. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.